Maybe you could catch it this time instead of running away.
Try to catch it this time.
Good luck.
Survival tent.
Good.
I got my stash box, and I got my scrap box. Okay. Burnt book. Oh joy. What happened to all my scrap? Oh no. Scrap all junk item removed. What happened to all my scrap? Are you telling me I lost all my scrap?
Dude, it looks that way.
Come on, man. Everyone knows.
Hold on, I couldn't have lost all my scrap. Am I one of those people that lost his scrap when...
Faster, 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 faster.
I lost? I don't make my total real quick. Dude, if I really lose all my scrap, I'm gonna be pissed.
Well, I can see that.
Hit with stick. Hit with stick. You bastard.
Yeah, dude, I have no junk whatsoever. What happened to all my junk? Oh, look at all these fusion cores. Holy shit, dude. Damn. Got a lot of fusion cores. I used to know a really good spot to farm fusion cores. I used to know.
That would explain why you have so much.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure it's still a thing. I'm sure now we can take full advantage of it because nobody will be taking them.
The only other college in 50 miles.
Look at all this ammo, too. I mean, I have to do my homework on this game again. It's been a while since I played it.
You said it.
Yeah, look at all these treasure maps and all these.
Hit with stick. Hit with stick.
Move camp. Now I have a camp, so I guess I don't have any salvage, but I do have a lot of weapons, which means I got to, Oh wait! Okay, never mind. I found all my scrap. All my scrap was in here. All my scrap was in here. Okay. Store all junk. Store all junk. Actually, I don't want to store my junk. I actually want to take my junk back. Look at all the junk I had. This is all my junk, bro. 500 and I have so much.
Wow.
I have a lot of junk. And literally, I gotta put this scrap and, oh, how do I take it back? Here we go, I have to literally take it all, but I don't want it. There's a lot here.
I don't want it. That's because you suck. No, you suck. Hey man, come on. I'm just doing my job. Oh, I'm sorry. Apology accepted. Just like your mother accepted. Hey.
Never get tired of hearing
Look at
that.
all this junk. I was wondering where all my junk went. You know, when in the stash, I mean, now they have a place for junk. That's
I'm
all
sorry.
You can put unlimited junk in there. I mean, it saves me space for my
That's true.
Apology accepted. Just like your mother accepted. Hey.
I mean, can I take all this stuff? I mean, all at once? There's gotta be a way. Oh fuck! Of course I did that. Fuck my life. I'm trying to take it all back. It won't let me take it all. Great. There's no way I can just like take it all at once.
Apparently not.
You gotta be kidding me.
Wait a minute.
I can only take it all individually out.
Wait a minute.
Oh my
What
god.
the hell
I'm gonna
is-
be here for fucking Just gonna spam fuck the button. Spam fuck the button. I have too much fucking junk.
She's a crow.
I feel like I played a lot of this game, dude.
I could tell.
And
How you having 359 out of 265 and you're still moving just fine? I forgot about that.
This is scrap all junk and move to scrap box. No, I don't want to scrap all that. Man, this is a scrap box.
Son of a
I just realized this is a scrap box. This is you turn junk into scrap. Okay. I don't want to do that.
Wait a second, my foot fell asleep really bad.
Wait a minute.
Just store all that back in there. I mean, this sucks. I have a limited amount of shit.
Wait a minute.
These are all the weapons I have in my container, I think. Oh no, these are the ones I have in my. Man, I play this game way too much. What the hell's calling me? Oh, Heather. Hello? Walk to the store for what? You want what?
Something to drink.
Something to drink? We have drinks, but you don't like soda. We have Powerade. You want a Powerade?
No.
That I'd offer.
Or just maybe some candy too.
Yeah, we have candy. Matt
Well,
prepared.
I actually came prepared for
You
that.
came prepared.
Oh, okay.
You
I'm
knew.
coming next door. I'll be there in a second.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
He called it.
I knew she was gonna be asking for candy.
Dude, look at all this stuff I
I
have.
called that.
I have so much stuff. I didn't realize.
Scared to be at Matt's store.
I didn't realize how much crap I had.
I'm
in here.
getting all the gummies out of here, so.
Oh, I want a couple of gummies if you if you don't mind.
Well, there's a couple in there, and then there's some chocolates.
Take all the gummies.
Take whatever you want.
I mean, I don't really like the
Yeah,
gummies.
man.
Gummies
Help
are good.
yourself. They have a sale on Halloween candy over at Walmart.
Can I like? I don't know how to put it on.
Oh, it's okay. She don't take it on. I don't want that.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all this AIDS stuff I have. I was like, wait a minute, I have no AIDS stuff.
I'm surprised she's taking the candy, Daddy.
I don't know where
I thought she was going to take the chocolates. Huh?
to take a shot.
Hey, hold
This is
on.
all my junk. Okay. Can't say I don't have
Oh,
junk.
I gave her paradise. Huh?
Yeah, let's see.
Whatever you need. Oh, there. I found it.
Thank you. That's a lot. Fucking candy.
Well, they had a very good sale on Halloween candy over at Walmart. You can thank that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, I got my Power Armor chassis. Okay, so I got the chassis. I got the, I remember. That's fine. I remember, dude. Look at. I remember. I farmed the shit out of this T60 armor. The T60 armor is the best armor you can get. It's literally nothing is better than T60. T60 is the best armor you can get. I farmed the shit out of the T60 armor.
Anyway, just let me know when you want to order supper, you know,
I mean, fine. I'm good.
or do whatever.
I'm so happy.
Because,
I'm so happy right now. Like, I'm not even getting, there's no hunger bar or anything. This is so cool. There's literally no hunger bar.
Sweetness.
This is cool though.
That is awesome.
I mean, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. It's not survival, but it is survival at the same time. It's like if you're playing Fallout. That's what it's like. It's like if you're playing Fallout.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, apparently, I know you can heal yourself in a bit, but
Oh, that's a good
I didn't realize it would take all my shit with me, in my level included.
What? Well,
That's cool. My level.
Wait a minute.
Let's see. I want to go back to the. Now that I got my camp and I stored all that crap in my inventory. I mean, I still have. Am I still unencumbered? I don't think I am. No, I am. Hold on a second. I gotta store some stuff. I think it's my power armor that's.
hold on a second, you mean.
Wait a minute.
It's my power armor that's taking up all the space.
Well,
Let me see. Hang on my armor real quick. I need my power armor. I can't do shit without my power armor. I mean, but it's taking up all my space. I mean, I probably should place.
Apology accepted! Just like your mother accepted. Hey!
Your mother accepted. Damn it. Trying to place down my power armor. Hold on. I know there was an easier way to do this. Oh, I just figured out how to switch my weapons to the stuff I like. There we go. That's good to know. I think it was, it wasn't that. Okay, I just switched this to a gun. Trying to figure out how to select my power when I know there's a way to do it.
dow.
That's emotes. I think I gotta do it through the inventory. I'm a little rusty at this. Like I said, I just wanna get used to doing this.
Okay, well then.
Here we go.
Wait a minute.
This place. Oh, that's my power armor. You know, I feel totally comfortable leaving my power armor here because it's like literally a private world. It's not gonna go nowhere.
It is a private world, so you have nothing to worry about.
Let me transfer all this power. Just gotta go to apparel. I think I got you T30 armor. Well, now that we have our own private server, I mean, I can pay for this.
Apology accepted!
I-
Just
if
like
it
your
doesn't do
mother
the
accepted.
auto-renewal, if it doesn't do the auto renewal, I think I can pay for this every month.
Nice.
Wait a minute.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna put that on here.
I gotta okay it
Wait a minute.
before it expires, or you have to redo
There you
it.
go. Look at that. What do you mean?
I mean that they say that you have to either hit the auto renewal before it expires on the 6th, or you have to rebuy it.
Will be recalled in 60 seconds. Okay, so it automatically recalls. That sucks.
Well,
I'll recall it.
Wait a minute.
I'll recall. It'll recall anyways. So I mean, doesn't matter. I see. I finally got the space, but it was the power armor that was taking up all my space. No way I'm getting rid of it. I like these weapons. They're all very powerful weapons.
Almost got a bandit car? Roland can handle whatever the Bloodshots dish out, but I generally don't like letting him get tortured any longer than I have to.
Okay, so let's do missions. I got
Before the Bloodshots grabbed, Roland was getting into
okay, now I can try the recording.
Yeah, just let me get to the
have to
vault
find
real
him.
quick.
I gotta head back to Sanctuary, keep the city in one piece while Roland's away. But first, I'm gonna teleport you into the Bloodshot stronghold. That's where they're keeping Roland. You'll catch him by surprise and have a real advantage. It'll be great. Hold still.
Do third person. Sorry about that. It always does that.
I'm trying to check. I'm still trying to
I'm just
figure out
saying
how
it.
to check.
We still gotta do a test run of the recording.
New arrivals. Listen to the broadcast. Emergency is broadcast. I'm picking up radio transmission from the overseas. Tune in with my Pip-Boy to listen. Okay.
Alright.
Since I gotta go to the
Wanna
radio.
do a test run?
Yeah, do a test run.
Okay, here we go. Test run in 3, 2, 1.
Let's see.
Testes.
Okay. Oh wait, the hunger
Usual.
meter just turned back on.
Oh
I
no!
need water though. I thought I had a purifying machine. I thought I did. I don't know what the hell happened.
I'll test this for a full minute.
I mean, this sucks. I didn't know the hunger meter was on.
Weasel
I gotta
pits.
drink water though. I gotta drink water. I'm gonna.
Well,
Let me see.
Wait a minute.
I had a purifier up here when I was playing before. I probably should figure out how to set up the purifier again. I mean, this is a problem because if I don't have a purifier, it's gonna make everything so much harder.
right.
Well, this is only a test anyway, but I mean, I want to
Mhm.
hook up a purifier. I think I remember why I put my place over here to begin with when I first started, just so I can have a purifier over here.
Okie dokie. I think I got enough.
Up, they're throwing grenades at me, and I'm dying. Who the hell's attacking me? I'm getting attacked. Let's see if I can.
Wait a minute.
There's bandits in there. I kill these fuckers. I think they're in here. Okay, go figure. I would set my place up at a fucking bandit place.
Of course you would.
I would put it like right near a bandit place. You gotta be saw one just do a flaming cocktail at me. Okay. They're shooting at me. Oh, you fucktards. Hold on. Oh, there he is. Reload! Reload!
Okie dokie, it's ready for the regular.
There you go. Shit.
It's ready for the regular bit recording. Just let me know
I'm
when
not
this.
ready yet.
Okay, then I'm gonna close out of it until you're ready.
Oh no! What are you doing? I'm gonna die! Oh, what are you doing? Holy crap!
No, you won't. It's
Damn
fine.
it, how do I fucking switch my weapon again? Oh, I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't ready for this.
Worry. Well,
Come on! Fuck. This gun reloads too slow! Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Inspired by Project P.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Apology accepted. Just like your mother accepted.
Oh my god, I'm trying to... Fuck, I'm reloading again? Oh my god, I finally get a good shot. And it fucking reloads. Okay, come on. Fuck off! Dude! Oh my god. Oh, why did I waste a bullet? Oh. Shit. How do I switch my weapon? I'm trying to figure out how to switch my weapon. I can't. Oh my god, get out of that! Get. Oh my god. Fuck. I can't unlock it? You mean. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. Ah, come on. I can't get out of here? You gotta be kidding me.
you're getting killed.
I know I'm getting killed. I'm trying to get the fuck out of here. Oh my god. I mean, it should be unlocked once I open it. God damn, dude.
Wait a minute.
Oh my god. Fuck off. Damn it. Alright, can you let me reload, you dipstick? Fuck. Oh my god, how? How did that do nothing to you? Oh my god.
Wait a minute.
Just trying to figure out how to switch my weapon. How do I switch my weapon? How? How do I switch my weapon? I'm trying to figure out how to switch my weapon. I can't switch my weapon. Why can't I switch
What it is?
my weapon?
Oh, you.
Oh my god. Switch. Fuck you. Really? I'm about to die. Oh god.
The moon.
Oh my god.
The moon.
You gotta be kidding me. And I can't call for help because I'm. Oh my god.
Now.
Maybe that was a bad spot to set up my game.
Now. Now. You. The moon.
Okay, can I?
The moon.
Oh my god. I'm not used to this. Forgive me. I'm not used to this.
Well,
I gotta get used to it first. I'm not used to it. Where's my body?
Wait a minute.
Body at? Where's my body at? I got this right. It's not down deeper. It's like
With that attack.
yeah, I'm just trying to freaking. It's the stupidest one of all. And don't ask me why I kept it.
I'm going in with the managed to kill these motherfuckers. Fucking liars. It's fucktards. Really? me off! You bitch. I don't remember this game being this hard. You're gonna get eaten alive. Like, maybe I shouldn't have came here. Oh my god. I'm scared. Dude! This is hard! I don't remember it being this hard. Oh, if I had another person, I'd be fine, but I mean... Holy shit, dude. I gotta use this. I'm 140... I'm 114! How the fuck am I getting my ass raped like this? That's it. I have no clue. Why? Why would I set my game up
Because of
the
reasons.
fuck? Okay, apparently, I figured out how to, I'm gonna go first person, it's just not easier. Apparently, I figured out, for like 2 seconds, how to set up my kit. Don't ask me how I did it. I'm just trying to remember how I did it. Oh, I think I know how I did it. I wanted to go to my camper. I don't know if I want to go over it. I don't know if I want my camper in here.
Flag captured.
I'll tell you, this would be a lot easier than I do.
Yeah. Not really much I can do at this point.
Yeah, at least we know we have another game to play.
That's true.
And once we, I'm just trying to fucking figure out how to, you know what, I'm gonna buy this place. I'm gonna try and check. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spend all my currency on these tickets. I'm just gonna go balls out and buy 500 points. For 15.
It's funny using the shop and I'm playing this. Yeah, I'll pause this. The funny thing is when I did the sequel to those forward walk things, which was the Umbreon walks, I used this music in the background.
Oh,
this one's never made it up to.
I think one of these options is the okay, what did I just do? I just switched. Okay, that's not okay. I'm trying to figure out how to set up my team. I wanna set up more things over here, like build more things, but I don't know what to do. What is this? Talk to the overseer. Oh, good. So they're listening to that audio thing actually helped me. I just got fast travel over. I hope it's blocked from the place. Okay, so here is the it's been a while since I played this.
And funny. No?
It's it's good to have a private server. I'm not gonna get killed.
That's true.
See, and I'll pour you a mug. Please say I stole his damn hog again. Every time the pig escapes, Wigton accuses me of thievery. Go on. I'm sure you'll find that hog of a pig rooting around in the northeast.
You want to start the recording?
There's no need for that.
Okay. Well,
Get away with this.
what the buzz is. Oh, it's gonna take a minute for it to load up anyways. Let's label this as random gameplay.
I mean, it might be in about 1 hour. So I don't know.
Oh, for now I'm labeling it as random gameplay.
PCs in this game. I'm not used to it.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Get started.
I'm just gonna go talk to this sniphead child.
Hey, welcome. This is the Game of Friends. Alright.
Just skipping. Oh, oops.
And if they can't read, what game are we playing here?
Fallout 76. I bought a private server, so I just wanted to toy around a little bit.
Yep, that's right. I don't know if this is gonna be random gameplay or the about 1 hour series, but we will find out. Oh boy. Hey.
Did they get away with it?
Oh, come on! It's muted!
It's muted. We have to start it over.
All I was getting was gameplay,
Yeah.
and that's it. Fuck! Fuck! I have to close out of this, delete that one!
Well, if it's muted, that might actually work out.
It wasn't getting commentary at all.
I mean, that's what I kind of prefer it that way
Now you tell me?
anyway.
After I stopped it?
Then I can turn the fucking volume up.
Son of a bitch.
It's not getting our voice. If it's not getting
I was gonna get our voice. Oh jeez, I'm a genius. Ah, fuck. I fucked that up, but really, really badly. It should work. And I really hope it does. Oh wait, I never listened to the damn test before I deleted it. Wait a minute.
Okay, so now let's just talk to the overseer.
Try it again.
The overseer.
Is the blank screen? What blank screen? Oh wait, it...
Really? That's getting annoying.
Wait a minute.
That is getting annoying.
Sorry, I had to restart the fucking thing again. Oh, there we go. Alright. We're in good shape now. I hope there's not too much echo. Because I'm about to start it.
Why would there be echo? If you muted our voices, why would
Oh, wait. Good way to start this shit.
Well, why'd you start it? I wasn't ready.
Bye!
I mean, did you mute our voices or did you not mute our voices?
No, I didn't.
I thought you said you were going to.
I thought I was going to.
I thought I got you.
Now I can mute our voice. There you go. I just turned off the entire commentary.
I see workbench.
Yeah. You can snap it. All right, now I started it without the freaking commentary.
Does that mean I can turn the volume on the TV up?
Yes, you can.
Well, start it again because I just
Fuck!
I just stopped playing, so.
Oh.
I need this shit in my camp. I'm actually.
They could be pulling my fucking hair out.
A little bit. I'm gonna try to cook. Let's see what it needs. Yeah, wood.
Let's try to
wood,
shoot again.
and meats. I can't do this without meats.
Back. Okay, 3, 2, 1, starting it.
Bottled water.
There we go.
Meat.
Let's
Nice.
start it.
Alright. Let's see what the
You can say whatever because it's not getting no commentary because I shut commentary off.
A private area that is unique to your character. Only you and your teammate can be in this interior. Friends and strangers can't join. Make important story choices that have large consequences. Progress is saved less frequently when in solo interior. Make sure your quests have been okay. Pretty
Yay.
much encouraging you play with friends.
Well,
Pretty much.
the hell is this anyway?
Wait a minute.
I'm really hoping it didn't get a commentary because oh help me if it did just now.
I'm sorry.
Really, bitch? Really?
You're looking for top boom.
Oh, bitch. Fuck you.
You bastard.
Really, dude? You're gonna shoot me? What did
Yeah.
I do to you? Fucking ass clown. You know what? That's what I think of you.
Love it.
Fucking shoot me. Well, what a way to get welcomed in here. Oh yeah, how you
Hey,
doing?
well, hey, how you doing? Bang, bang. All I did is I looked away for like 2 seconds. I looked up and I just said, "You looking for trouble?" That's Fallout 76 for you in a nutshell. Oh
Name's
boy.
the Judges. What was all that about? He said something about treasure.
Since then, a steady stream of miscreants has been making my life irritating. Not exactly good for a butt business.
For a butt business? You're looking for help with these things.
Now that you mention it, I could use an extra pair of hands. Say,
Oh, I'll give you hands.
that's all of you put down.
Hello.
Who's not the first to miscreant roll in here?
What is she looking at?
Last. Normally,
I don't know. She's looking at something on the ceiling.
but my muscles run off. So
I don't see what you're looking at.
That crinkled piece of paper. I don't know. What?
What do I say? What do I say?
That's what I was hoping. Each of these boys came in asking after Craig. How would you grab the attention of a bunch of single-minded thugs?
Meal imitations, maybe. I had minus one Christmas. I can't say that. That's what my mom did for my birthday parties. So I guess no one came to those either. That's my charisma. But my
That's
charisma's
fair.
-1, so that wouldn't work. Salisbury Steak. That always got people running in the vault. It's time
That's
to
fair.
run, just say it's time. My time's precious. Just say what you want.
Sure thing, Captain. We're gonna drop the boys in by making them think you're Craig. Just give me 1 second.
That ass.
It is.
That ass. Oh, she's bent down.
Oh yeah, there you go. Careful, this doesn't get flagged as porn.
So what chicken scratch version for you is the schematic for one custom-made crane treasure hunt.
What the fuck?
If I didn't
That was a glitch.
Apparently she's a teleporter. Teleporting wizard.
It's everybody practice with Professor Oak. Oh boy. Everyone's taking their lesson from Professor Oak from Pokemon. The magician classes.
I'm just looking at her pussy.
You
sorry.
horn dog.
What'd you say? Hey, Morty, you go to hell. She's mine, damn it. Yeah, shut up. Plus 2 charisma. Constriction, scrapping, and dealing with tongues. You're gonna need to pay me more than that. I guess I can try it.
It is only a task. I can do 75. That's as high as I'll go.
You sure about that?
For the task. Hot dog.
You want my hot dog? Okay.
Freaking a horn dog.
Hot dog. Hot dog. What do you got? So what you got? You got ammo. Duchess. It's confusion cells. How much caps do I have? I don't even know how much caps I actually have.
Not gonna like me having to go to the bathroom in the middle of a recording, but after the
700
bathroom in the middle of a
caps.
recording. So.
Is she already in?
I'll just keep the bird entertained.
I need first aid kits. It's clear as day. I need first aid kits.
Yeah.
You know what? As much as it painfully kills me, I'm spending all these caps. I need the first aid kits. I need the stem bags. I mean, it's that or it's Mr. Ghoulie. Talk to the overseer. I did that. I did talk to the overseer. Was she not the overseer? Who's the overseer? Pelly Mort is the overseer. Oh shit, my thirst meter is down. Bum, bum, bum. Fuck do I get out of here? Pee pee. How the fuck do they live in a dump like this? What a dump. How the fuck do I get out of here? They live in a freaking dump. I saw what their bathroom looks like. How the hell do they got a bathroom in that shit? Like they have like garbage all over their fucking floor.
What do you expect? This is in the middle of the apocalypse.
I mean, at least try to be a little neater. You know, like.
It's the freaking apocalypse. Get them the point, good. They're lucky they have plumbing. They probably don't.
Apparently, I figured out how to set things up now.
I think you're right. How do you go to the bathroom in this place like
I
that?
think I pressed LB. Oh yeah, move camp. That's what that is. Okay, moving camp. I view my
Out
camp.
of curiosity, what are we doing about supper, if anything, tonight?
You want to take a walk to, what time is it?
It's 7:54.
I mean, we'd have to do it now. If we were gonna go anywhere.
Exactly.
I mean, and let me just figure out this stupid quest log, and we'll just cancel the recording and do another one afterwards. I mean, we're only a couple minutes in.
Damn you, curfew.
You know, the curfew kind of ruined everything.
It ruined it again.
I want to change my camp. Well, I do want to change my camp, but I don't want my camp here. I have a brain fart right now. I'm trying to figure out how to check my. There we go. I have all these fucking missions equipped at once. This is the one I want to do. The Overseer. Talk to the Overseer. I have them all equipped at once. Okay, I gotta look at the map real quick. Okay, there's the mission right there. Overseer's home. 2 bottle caps. I don't know, do I really want to waste bottle caps? How many bottle caps do I have?
You have 149.
149. I mean, I'm right around the corner. I might as well just walk to it. They want me to build. They recommend I build my camp in the wilderness.
Yep,
I
that's
mean, should I move my camp?
Sure.
I mean, I should, but I don't think this is a good spot for it.
No, not in the middle of this woods.
The sun is really bright in this game. I need to find,
Apology accepted! Just like your mother accepted. Hey!
what up with the rays? The sun rays is really annoying.
Okie dokie.
Hey,
What's that behind you? The moon.
I mean, you think they would fix
The
the
moon
brightness
is-
problem?
Now. Now. Yes.
You think they would fix this crap? The sun ray light?
Mario, I'm a fallen, and I can't get up. No, Mario, you're just moving on the ground.
I thought he said he was foreign and he can't get up.
It's foreign and he can't get.
Foreign. Apparently he's foreign. I know he's foreign. The hell is trying to kill me?
Fallen, and I can't get up.
Yeah, he's foreign and he can't get up. I like that. That's freaking hilarious.
What the fuck? Okay. Fucking piece of shit.
Quality writing and helps you stand out in the process.
My little shit.
Meet Grammarly.
These are meat for food. Can I eat a rat? Probably eat him.
Are your fingers getting tired? Well, technically,
I have a spear.
guys,
Thanks.
Guess what? It's time for you to try. Let's do this. I ain't got nobody. Hey, nobody. Hey! We are the hey! We are the one. You look like Mario, okay? It's a little less than the thing I do.
We just get to the overseer's house. Let's see.
You got the
Oh, hello. Probably no. This is important. This is actually the USB.
Go for it. You can come for me. It's been very nice. But now, oh no, I'm sorry.
Don't know where it's gonna take me.
We are number 1X.
I always say.
Thank you, thank you. We are number 1.
I always say.
Hey.
Just
We
gonna
are
just
number 1. Now look at this keyboard.
Oh, I have a private world
When I say
for a month.
keyboard, go.
It's like I'm gonna get the money to pay for it. I mean, now that the auto renewal is shut off, I mean, now I can just keep buying the where do you want to go to eat?
That's the question.
Probably just look around, so that's all. I'm very satisfied. I'm very satisfied. I can't wait to play this with you in a private world and just do a bunch of missions together.
That'd be great.
It'll be fun. Knowing that we can play the game with as many people as we want without being fucking killed and murdered by millions of random people makes the game even more fucking fun. It's just a shame we have to pay for it.
I know.
I mean, it's good that I bought it for me. I can't read after the message. Just gonna tell me about I don't know if you're on, but I purchased a private world
Well, if we're gonna order something, we gotta do it now.
I mean, we can order something. I have an idea. I'm gonna get that Fozzie's place or Fozzie or whatever.
I thought we were gonna save that for the pay-per-view.
I mean, we can get something else for the pay-per-view.
Okay. That's fine. I know how much you really wanted to order from Posse's.
Yeah, I do like their pizza. I just don't like the way they cut it.
I know. Well, what are we getting from there?
Pizza, obviously.
I know we're obviously getting pizza, but what kind?
Pizza.
Nice guy.
Joe Biden, Kamala Harris delivery
Update.
remarks, and it's got 618 dislikes and 55 likes.
Oh, boy.
Just like your mother
Yeah.
accepted.
I think the American people are very satisfied.
Accepted. Hey.
must be very satisfied with
Other
Kamala
accepted-
and Biden winning the shit.
Mm-hmm. Wait a minute.
People are so dumb. Wait till they find out that he actually cheated.
Have they even seen that fucking video? He openly admitted it.
He openly admitted it.
That's all I'm saying.
And I love how they say he's just claiming they cheated. Dude, they have legit evidence that
I'm not gonna
You
get into
cheated.
this conversation right now. I've heard enough of it. And, it's not that I don't believe it, I believe it. I just don't want to believe it. As it's messed up. I don't want to believe it, but I know it's true.
yeah,
It's one of those cases.
pretty much. Okay, let's go order.
Hey!
I say we play Pokemon when we get back.
I'm in for that.
You want the TV? You can have the
Hey
TV.
man, come
I'll
on,
take-
I'm
I'll
just
take
doing
the
my
Pokemon.
job.
Unless you want to play the 3DS version.
I'm sorry.
Up to you. You want to play Pokemon Sword and Shield?
You know, we could do a random gameplay of Pokemon Sword and Shield for...
Just us two, right?
Yes.
Apology accepted! Just like your mother accepted. Hey!
That's like the best. That was like the best part of the whole thing. Hey. Okay, well, that's it for Sound with Me. Da da da.
Activision presents